Tanks has become very vulnerable for drones, as they often focus a strike on the much weaker section of the tank, which isn't meant to take damage. As often seen, Ukraine uses a FPV drone fitted with an RPG-7 warhead, which has a shaped charge, great for penetrating armor. As the drone can hit sections without explosive reactive armor, the tank will most likely at least be immobilized after the hit. But as Ukrainian drone operators are smart, they focus the strike on the back section, with thin armor and likely to create an internal fire, as seen time over time, resulting in a small quick drone being able to take out a $3 million tank without much problem, showing the lack of defensive capability that is needed to protect a main battle tank, taking out another of Russia's tanks, leaving one less for the future. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.